He's
Come
posing.
Your turn. Turn him so he doesn't push off himself off the bed. Come on, you can. You made it! Yay! Here, pick him up. Yay! You made it! High five! How was that? What do you think?